intrigued by you. I am in complete admiration. We are devoted to each other in actions. We show up for each other. I'm into you, you're into me. Our love is real and authentic. I love you so much. I don't like when you're not next to me. I be missing my honey so much. Too long. It's 3 hours since I seen you. It feels like a month too long. Who would've thought your love would drive me crazy? So much in love, I'm so into you. I can't the thoughts of when you do what you do. I be speaking in tongues. Ooh, la la, ooh. Peanut butter and jelly. You're so devoted, loving, and kind. I can tell you anything and you don't judge me. I feel free to breathe in your presence. In essence, your vibes fill my heart with so much joy. I am intrigued by you. I am in complete admiration. We are devoted to each other in actions. We show up for each other. I'm into you, you're into me. Our love is real and authentic. You're my Superman, you swept me off my feet. My skin is glowing, our love is shining. Everyone that love and know us witness the love in our eyes. It's written all over our spirits. We are one. Toda Yahuwah, through Yahshua of Nazareth. We are Holy Spirit connected.